Hi guys! One of my followers sent me a picture of a felt mini quiet book she came across on Instagram. So she asked me if I could make a tutorial on how to bind that book. I should say I fell in love with that book idea the first time I saw it. So I got it. The size of my book is 12.5 by 12.5 centimeters. The thickness of the book is 4 centimeters. There are already 3 trial samples I made trying to get the perfect result. It was a big struggle to figure out the optimal width of the spine. And here is my third and final version. Now I like the way it turned out. It is perfect to me. And now guys, please let me know if you'd like to see my tutorial on how to make that book. What format would you prefer? Written instructions or maybe just a video tutorial would be enough. And most of these designs are available on my Patreon page. So if you like to get them, please consider joining. The link to my Patreon page you can find in the description box under that video below. And here is a short video review of my new mini books. Please enjoy it.